We are thrilled. We finally found our dream home in the mountains.
Views are great, the air is fresh. It is bear country, though.
Hey, move! We hit the jackpot!
Bear.
Look, corn on the cob!
Ooh, chicken. Don't mind if I do.
You're hungry.
T-bone! That's what I call a smorgasbord!
At least Geico makes bundling our home and car insurance
They
easy.
do save us a ton of money.
We'll take the cobbler to go!
Good idea, Yogi.
Now I'm smarter than the average bear!
They're gone, Dad.
For bundling made easy, go to geico.com.
For more great Geico videos, hit the subscribe button.
If you like this video, please share it.
Well, at least someone liked your ambrosia salad.